MetaTrader 4 winning strategy. This is profiting forex trading channel. I would like to show you how to use these simple strategies. I have combined the few indicators together to give us this working strategy. This is for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. And you cannot use this on derived platform. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly make sure you do so. And do give me a thumb up if you like this video. And do not forget to turn on the notification button so that you'll be notified each time I share another winning strategy. This strategy is free and the download link to all the indicators I use for this particular strategy is in the video description. Make sure you check it out. Welcome to Profiting Forex Trading channel. I would like to show you how to use this simple strategy. To start with, let me show you how I use it myself. Now, this is on MetaTrader 4 and this is on the M30. This is 30 minutes chart and you can use it on any chart you want, but you have to change some value in some of the indicators which I'm going to show you. But the setting I did for this particular pairs is for lower time frame, either 15, 30, 1 hour downward. And if I want to use it on higher time frame, I will need to adjust the setting for these forex tools. And so let me show you how I combine these three indicators together. Some of the indicator on my chart here does not repeat. And make sure you try every strategy or indicators on the demo trading account, either MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. It depends on the indicator. If the indicator is for MetaTrader 4, then try it out on MetaTrader 4 demo account on any brokers that allow MT4. So let me show you how to use this particular strategy. This R2 does not repeat, and this like star does not repeat also. And this is how to use this indicator. Number one thing you have to look out for is this particular band. Make sure the candles are at the upper or lower band of this indicator, either for a buy or for a sell. For a sell, it must be at the upper band, and for a buy, it must be at this lower band, blue color, if you want to consider that signal at all. And two, you must make sure that this star is present. Either this blue or red star must be present. And the third thing to consider is this indicator. This arrow indicator also you must consider here before you place your trade. And the last indicator here is this box indicator, this red and green indicator. So once you have all the indicators in agreement, then you can place your trade. So at this particular point here, we have this indicator, all the indicators in agreement here. This was at the upper part of this band, and then we have this box indicator, the star was present, and here is the arrow. So at this particular point, you can place your trade and stop loss will just be few pips above the previous high. Then you can, your take profit might be at the lower band or the middle band, or you can decide to take few pips out of the trade, either like 10, 5, 20 pips out of this particular trade or any signal generated. And for a buy, we must have the market must be at the lower band here, like the candles must be at the lower band, the red star must be present, then this box indicator, then followed by the arrow. So at this particular point, you can place your trade and ride the trend to the end. So this is how to use this particular strategy for a buy, for a sell. Just make sure all the indicators are in agreement. Like this particular point, we have all the indicators in agreement here. So stop loss will just be few pips above the previous high here, and you ride the trend. And here we have all the indicators in agreement here also at this particular point. So this is where to place your trade. stop loss few pips below the previous low, take profit either the middle band or the upper band of this MetaTrader 4 indicator. Now let me show you the setting for each of the indicator used for this particular strategy. And I see some people asking that they don't know how to install this particular indicator. I've dropped in my video description also. Just check the video description on how to install copy indicators on MT4 and how to save it, or how to save it as a template, or how to load a template on MT4. So make sure you check it out, because I'm not going to cover that in this particular video. Now let's move on to all the indicators I use for this particular strategy. This is the first indicator here. These are the color for this particular band here, and you can change the color if you want. The middle band is gray, and you see the lower band is blue, and this star here, we have the red here, which you can change, and the star above too, which is blue, you can change it here. And here are the values. So I use for the half length, I use 89. The default setting does not come with 89. The value here does not come with 89. Make sure you change this to 89, or you can play with it. And this is all the setting. Time frame, just set it to current. Don't change anything here. Just leave it as current. And when you are done, just click OK. And the second indicator, this arrow indicator here, this arrow red and this aqua color, is this uptrend indicator. What I did was to turn off the other line from uptrend indicator, and the other color remains. And then we have the blue sky for these particular settings. Just make sure you pause the video and enter the color, or you can leave the default color and see how it looks like. If you want to change anything, then you can come back to change it. And this is the setting for this uptrend Forex tools indicator for MetaTrader 4. And this is amplitude is 2. You can play with the amplitude too. The arrow size is 2. Anything you want to play with, you feel free to play with it, but this is what I use. And the last indicator for this particular strategy is this indicator. Now this is why I said if you want to use it on higher time frame, like 4 hours, you have to change this value either to D1, W1, or MN1 if you want to trade on higher time frame. But because I'm trading on 31 hour downward, that's why I use H4, because I will show you now, if I change my chart to H4, this box indicator will not look good. We have a lot of it on our chart and it won't be accurate. This is where I change it, and the RSI I change it to 4. Just leave the other value the way it is here, and these are the colors. So if you want to change it, fine, but if you want to leave it like I have it here, you can leave it like that. So this is how to set up all the indicators, and these are the value for every forex tools I use for this strategy. And the last indicator I just show you right now is on this window here. It's at the indicator window. This is the indicator, but it will show on the main chart since I do not need this, and that was why I minimize it. This is the box for this particular indicator on the indicator window. So this is how to use this particular strategy. It is simple and anyone can use it. Just make sure you have all the indicators in agreement before you place your trade like this particular point. Make sure you have it, and you are not going to take any other trade at the middle of this band, either at the upper or at the lower band of this Forex tools indicator. This is meant for MetaTrader 4 and not MetaTrader 5. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you've not done that already, and like the video. Do give me a thumb up if you really like this video, and remember the download link to all the indicators I use for this particular MetaTrader 4 strategy is in my video description. Make sure you download it. Make sure you trade this particular strategy on regulated forex broker. Do not trade on any brokers at all. Check them out if they are registered so that you will not lose your money. We have scammer too. In my video description, I drop some video name to some regulated brokers. Make sure you check it out if it is okay by you before you register with them. Till I come your way again, I remain your fellow trader, and make sure you trade this on MetaTrader 4. Bye for now.